My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle has done just over 67,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right, we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking aid. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.